Hello kids. Today we will learn to write capital letters from A to Z and we will use these colors: yellow, green, orange, blue and purple. Let us begin. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for goat. H. H for hat. I. I for ice cream. J. J for jug. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. M. M for monkey. N. N for nest. O. O for owl. P. P for peacock. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rabbit. S. S for sun. T. T for tortoise. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for watermelon. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. And Z. Z for zebra.